Okay guys, so today we are going to be doing a natural everyday makeup look. So if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned to the rest of the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay guys, first thing first, we're going to use this base to kind of prime our eyes a little bit. And yeah guys, so once we're done pretty much priming our eyes, we are going to use the Revolution Roxy palette. I love this palette. It is my go-to palette, especially for natural everyday looks. So I did start off with this yellow color because my dress had like little yellow flowers in it. So I started off with the yellow color, but by the time I make it to the end of the video, I'm going to kind of change my eye color. So yeah, you guys, continue to stay tuned to see how I created this natural look. Okay, so right now I'm about to put some black liquid eyeliner right on top of my eyelashes, and I did purchase this one from the Crown Case. Yeah, I like it. It makes my black line really smooth, so I do like the liquid eyeliner from the Crown Case. And I was going to put my eyelashes on, but I think I'm gonna wait until the end of the video to put them on. But for that foundation, guys, I am using the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, the EAZE drop or EAZE drop, whatever. So I think I'm using shade 18. When I purchased it, they didn't have my shade color. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna go with the 18. I think the 18 is gonna fit me perfectly, but I think the 18 was maybe a tad bit light for my skin. And mind you guys, when using this is a light coverage. This is not a full coverage type of foundation. This is very lightweight, and it covers up just a little of your imperfections or whatever, because I don't have as much marks on my face, so I thought this product was perfect for me. But I feel like if you have multiple marks in your face and maybe like buku bumps in your face, I don't know if this foundation would be good for you, but I like it because it is lightweight and it just pretty much look like you literally have no foundation on. Okay, right now guys, so I'm applying my eyelashes. I have like these mink eyelashes that I pretty much just order from Amazon, you guys. I don't really know the company's name, but I will put everything down in the description bar if you guys want to purchase these mink eyelashes that I purchased from Amazon. Okay guys, so right now I am going to use the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in shade 420, just to kind of set my face a little bit. So I kind of wanted to set my face with that powder. And yeah, once I'm done setting my face, yeah, that's it. And right now guys, I'm pretty much changing my eye color because I was not feeling just the yellow color. So I went back in that same Roxxsaurus palette and just pretty much added more colors to my eye color. Okay, so for highlight, I'm using the Crown Case AnGlowla AnGlowla highlight. Of course, I love this highlighter. I have all the Crown Case highlights, so that's the one I'm using today to highlight my cheeks, on top of my nose, and on top of my lips. Okay guys, so for my blush, I'm gonna use this Beauty Glade palette. I had this palette for so long, you guys. This was like my first palette that I ever bought when I was actually learning to do makeup. So right now I'm gonna use this finishing spray to bring everything together, and I'm gonna just throw on a little, chapstick, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it, you guys. I just made this look really simple. I was not trying to do nothing really bold, and I did go off camera to finish up my hair, and that's it, you guys. We're gonna go out to eat, and yeah, just party a little bit, and that's pretty much it. This is the finished look of my pretty much everyday natural looking makeup look. And as you can see, you can barely tell that I have any makeup on, and that's how I like it. I don't like so much makeup. But yeah, you guys, definitely let me know down in the comment section what you thought of my natural makeup look. And before I get out here, definitely make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.